Welcome back. Welcome back. It's the DMV Weave Doctor, and we're doing another hair loss transformation today. Okay. All right. And for all those who do not know, we are located in Bowie, Maryland. We are certified trichologists, holistic practitioners. We also are licensed cosmetologists. Okay. Some of y'all be in the basement. Okay. Some basement hairstylists that didn't get their certification. But the weave doctor got her certification today, okay? Now, we're not throwing any shade on anybody. We just want to let you know that we do have our certifications. And look, child, look at me. I am masked up. Look like I'm about to go to war. All right, y'all better get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. And right now, we are cornrowing this individual. She's been dealing with alopecia probably for the last 15 years or so. She has started getting braids, and it just started to really take her hair off, and now she is in the very last stages of hair loss. And so now we're just trying to give her a transformation. This is her natural hair color. This is no relaxer. And we're adding in her hair. We like to sew in our hair with using a thread, our special little thread. We like to use thread to cornrow with our clients. We feel like it's less tension on the scalp. And also, we also feel like it just makes everything lie nice and flat. So that's what we're doing right here. She's getting everything cornrowed. And we're now almost finished. Child, the weave doctor not used to doing all these long played out videos, but you guys have been telling me that my videos are too short. So you know what? I got a new phone. Child, I got time and space today. Okay? And opportunity. Y'all not ready for the weave doctor in 2021. Okay? So now we're just braiding her hair. And we also make sure we don't braid the hair too tight. We're going to do a glueless install on her. She did not want to purchase the harness this go around because girlfriend, she reached the net piggy bank, okay, to come to the weave doctor, okay? She put in some money. And that's another thing, child. You got to put in that money, honey, if you want to be looking cute. And now, and also she got the elite service added on to her services. There's a lot of different types of add-ons that you can get here at the Weave Doctor's Apothecary at Main Attractions. So this is the elite. So pretty much we will be doing extra customizing, and this is the unit that we've created for her. There's a little bit of piece of plastic that was stuck to the to the inside. But and this is with our raw Cambodian hair. That's some beautiful hair, isn't it, girl? It is amazing. Okay. And so now I'm coloring, I'm trying to act like I am a painter. I am Emerald. Child, I am Picasso. I'm about to say Emerald Lagasse, even though Child, the weave doctor is a Creole cook. Okay, Louisiana French Creole. Woo woo. All right, now we're sewing her hair down. You're look at them curls. Them curls are popping, dropping, and flopping. Okay, looking thebomb.com. And we're just sewing down the unit. We're just anchoring everything. We are just going over everything that we originally established using our thread. Now, girl, look at that beautiful hair. Girl, she living la vida loca. Girl, she looking like a Puerto Rican after the weave doctor put that weave up in her head. Okay? We're not going to be able to tell her nothing. Okay? So now we're just blow drying it out, honey. We wanted to show you guys the complete transformation. Okay? I'm going to say it again. Complete. Since y'all keep saying that we're not doing long enough videos, plus a lot of our other, I wouldn't say competitors or other people who are in the industry, we're noticing their videos are long. So, hey, we're trying to follow the trend. And this individual has the thinner lace. I consider this to be HD or a cross between HD and transparent, at least one of the thinner lace. Now, one of these things now we're going to be talking about that later on. We'll say that for the next video. But anyways, this is the final results, baby. This hair was razor cut. We used the flat iron and also the hot comb for the edges. Girl, child, you see I just be pushing people's head around. The weave doctor ain't right. Child, the weave doctor be aggressive behind the chair. Okay, so pretty much those are all the results. You want to book? We're located in Bowie, Maryland. Come on down to the DMV Weave Doctor. Book now.